All right, I'm taking my beveled side. See the bevel? It's not real distinct on this one because it needs sharpened. And here I go. Now see, I'm not pressing real hard, although you can, but I'm matching my bevel. And I'm just, basically it's a hard polish. Now this is my medium stone. And so it's a little more coarse and it's cutting more. My smaller stone is for putting on a sharper edge. But now, see how we're taking that off? If I wipe it, now you still see residue on there, but it's cleaning it up. Well, the reason why it's cleaning it up is you're putting an edge on it. So we've got to get all that off. We've got to get a nice, clean, straight edge. But I don't care what you're doing. If you don't have sharp tools, it's dangerous. It's getting better. Now, I always go a little bit like that in the backside. Why? Because it gets a wire edge on it. And I'm telling you what, that's pretty good. That's sharper than the little guy. Now, let's just go a little bit on this one. Now, I just have the weight of this, because this fine stone now watch this. Oh yeah. This side isn't as sharp, so we'll hit it some more. The left side of this blade would cut you pretty bad. This side over here isn't. Yeah, she is now. Okay. So then we wipe it on my rag, an old shirt. And I have two scrapers ready to go.